I was not happy with my body condition at the time. I feel myself a bit fat and easy to get tired.
My kids were reaching an age where I wanted to be more active for them.
让自己变得更有自信 ，then 让自己充满着活力，感觉会比较有精力。
Been coming here almost 8 years.
I've been staying here for 1.5 years.
在这里大概有将近1年的时间了。
People here are very friendly and they are very professional.
因为这里 Joan&Augustine 他们是世界冠军，他们拥有自己的一套的那个训练的系统。
I've been training in different gyms, both in Singapore and overseas. I met a lot of trainers, but I cannot see any trainers can deliver this level of service.
The hardest part was actually just the first time turning up.
It's all about the mindset. I didn't realize that I should start to work out a while ago.
I realized that I needed to put number one, my health first and foremost.
最困难的部分就是当我在做运动的时候，没有办法看到自己正确的姿势，所以我很需要一个教练在旁边的指点。就是每当我做的时候，我不懂，到底是对的还是错的，在那边怀疑，但我也不想浪费时间哦，所以请个教练是最好的方法。在第1个月的时候，其实我很兴奋诶，因为这里的锻炼方式都很不一样。 他会教你怎样用到你的 muscle 去 engage 去 connect 你的 mind， 这些跟外面的很大的不同。
My body was very tired at the time. It was full about the muscle soreness every day.
The first month was pretty easy because I just started light. I was coming once a week for 1 hour. Not at that time, because what happened was I started to see pretty quickly some positive results. So I really started to get very interested in coming twice a week.
Sometimes I was busy or I feel a bit tired. I would slow down a bit. But now, once I start, I will never stop.
John 的他的那个饮食营养计划，他只是会给我自己设计一套是属于我自己的营养饮食方面，让我在锻炼的时候更加的有精力。
It's really important, and it's getting more and more important. This nutrition will actually help your body to be more responsive to the workout.
I have a lot more energy. I have a better outlook in life. I'm more focused at work and at home. I'm happier.
最大的变化是可以看到我体型上的那个不一样，改变了，变得比较健美了。
My waist is decreased 4 inches since the beginning. I'm more staying positive and more easy to handle the daily work and daily life stress.
Just find 1 hour a week and come on a regular basis. That's all you have to do. You just have to make the start.
If you want to have a nice body, younger looking, you should start right now.
一个方式全部人都一样，这是不会的。最重要是他们每一个10个都不一样的方式来调配你们的那个姿势。对，还有这里的团队，他们都很 friendly 呀，他们我觉得很好，很舒服，在这边很舒服。
It's very professional here, and you will get what you want.
I would recommend somebody to come here if they're looking to improve the quality of their life.